My place is the placeless, my trace is the traceless, this is neither body nor soul. For I belong to the soul of the beloved. I have put duality away. I have seen that the two worlds are one. One I seek, one I know, one I see, one I call Rumi. The James Webb Space Telescope recently has opened doors to the possibility of answering questions that are as old as humanity itself, if not even more ancient. The telescope is trying to observe an unimaginable phenomenon, almost going back to the beginning of the universe. Scientists are anxious to see as far back as the Big Bang, and beyond. They are getting more impatient by the hour, as Webb's observations have revealed pictures of the galaxies that are almost 13 billion years old. Asterisk. Time travel is a lingering romance of the scientific community, and scientists have developed a way to peek into the distant past and more. Man's belief and imagination have gone through these distances, and even further, time after time. Humans have claimed to have revelations from the skies and outer worlds. Those messages came through holy persons. Part of those messages narrates that everything was created from nothing. Some holy people have claimed the universe was made in 7 days and 7 nights, and that, ever since then, the universe has been expanding. They already claim that the angels come to the earth from extraterrestrial horizons. Their holy books witness the presence of worlds like heavens and hells. They already believe in the soul, and in spiritual journeys. They also accept the existence of spirits, giants, witches, and fairies. In the beginning God created the heavens and the earth. General 1:1 NRSV alternate reading. God speaks, and things come into being that were not there before, beginning with the universe itself. Creation is solely an act of God. It is not an accident, a mistake, or the product of an inferior deity, but the self-expression of God. They believe their souls were present in some outer world before they were injected into their bodies. They believe that their forefather and mother, namely, Adam and Eve, were sent to the earth from another world. You are as old as the universe, because matter cannot be created or destroyed. In the deepest level, you are the universe experiencing itself. Astrovia 1 at Instagram. They further believe that their souls traveled to somewhere in the skies after their deaths. They think their stay on earth is a stopover in the grand arrangement of the journey of their souls. I am not dead. It is merely my body that rests in my grave. They believe angels can travel faster than light and black holes. Yes, science is trying to see the universe and its dwellers physically. Scientists are trying to find worlds like Earth containing life as it exists on Earth. The extraterrestrial horizons and their residents may not need oxygen or water. They may not need to feed themselves with carbs and proteins. The capacities of the JWST and of similar inventions might find something that initially existed in our holy scriptures or in our beliefs. In the meantime, we can read more about physics, astronomy, and math. We can be patient and make each other's lives peaceful and prosperous. And there's no better way to begin than by sharing smiles with each other. Smile is a moment when the soul and body are in complete harmony. Asan Jamil.